This home expired, and I listed it and sold it in 3 days. Oh, did he? Did he really? On this episode of Real Estate Fake Estate, we talk about agents who say, this property expired after so many days, and in so many days I sold it. Is that real or is that fake? Well, here's the key question that you need to ask any agent. What was the price? If they relist a home 10 to 20% below what it was originally listed for, and then they sold it in a very short period of time, then was the difference the agent or was the difference the marketing? If your home has been listed with an agent and you're not really sure what's been done as far as marketing goes, were the photos professional? Was the video professional? Was the video distributed to thousands and thousands of people for them to be able to see it? If you're not sure that happened, then what's the reason that you should lower your price? There are 4 things that cause a property to sell: price, location, condition, and the professional presentation of your property to the likely buyers. So if you don't know if your property's been exposed to the likely buyers, then how do you know that the issue was price? Although knowing where to price and how to price your property is a key benefit to a professional agent, just going for an immediate price reduction may not be the solution. So if your property is expiring on the market, interview multiple agents and find out what they're going to do different as far as marketing goes to make sure your property is exposed to the likely buyers for your home. Then, once you're sure that it's received the appropriate exposure, it might be time to drop the price if you don't sell in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So is the statement, this property expired and I sold it 2 days after relisting it, a real estate or fake estate? For our show, we're gonna say fake estate. There's a lot more detail that needs to be included with those claims in order for you to know they're correct. For instance, I listed a property after it expired 120 days. I sold it in 30 days at the same exact price it was previously listed. Now that's impressive.